today's topic is about Rankins formula for columns. We are very well aware with Euler's formula and its limitations too, and we have seen it in our recent post. Now, as we have discussed that Euler's formula is only applicable for long columns, we can secure the value of crippling load and crippling stress with the help of Euler's formula. For a long column, let us think that we need to analyze and determine the value of crippling load and crippling stress for a short column. Rankins had suggested one empirical formula on the basis of results secured from experiments performed by him, which will be valid for all types of columns, that is for long columns and for short columns. Let us first see here the Rankins formula. Empirical formula suggested by Rankin, which is applicable for short columns and long columns, will be termed as Rankins formula. And the formula here is 1 by P is equals to 1 by P small e plus 1 by E capital E. P defines as crippling load for Rankin's formula, PC is crushing load, and PE is crippling load from Euler's formula, and PC is equals to delta C into A, and delta is nothing but ultimate crushing stress. A is area of cross section of given column. Now let us consider the case of short column and long column one by one. Short column, we are considering here first the case of short column, and we will try to figure out here the crippling load and also failure mechanism of short column. Effective length of the column, that is LE, will be small and its square value will be quite small, and hence we can easily say that value of crippling load from Euler's formula will be very huge. We can also write the formula of I by PE will be very small, and hence we can neglect it with respect to the value of crushing load I by PC. Nothing but I by PE is replaced by I by PC. Recall the empirical formula given by Rankin. We can write here following equation of crippling load for short column. So Rankin's formula for crippling load and that too for short column is capital P is equals to PC. Long column. Long column, we are considering here now the case of long column, and we will try to figure out the crippling load and also the failure mechanism of the long column. Effective length of the column, that is LE, will be large and its square value will be quite large, hence we can easily say the value of crippling load from Euler's formula, that is PE, is very small. So comparatively with short column, long column PE value will be very small. We can also write that the value of I by PE will be very large, and hence we can neglect the term I by PC with respect to the term I by PE. So I by PC can be neglected. Recall the empirical formula given by Rankin. We can write here following equation of crippling load for long column. So the equation of crippling load for long column is P is equals to PE. Capital P is equals to capital PE. And for short column, the Rankin's formula, the equation of crippling load for short column is capital P is equals to capital C. Thank you.